Hello, wonderful folks. I'm Emmanuel Lee Tommy. Welcome to this new series. Today, we're going to shift through the confusion of making $500 a day using affiliate marketing. You've seen the headlines from season 1 and 2, and maybe you are wondering, is that real or is this merely another form of deception? But here's the truth. Yes, some people do make $500 a day with affiliate marketing, but most beginners, they make nothing for weeks and weeks. So what separates the dreamers from actual learners? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's about having the right system and the right support. And today we're going to lay out that system and support. We're going to generally demonstrate the process step by step using the Keye Academy framework. First, let's talk about reality. Affiliate marketing is not a quick money scheme. It's an actual skill. Like any other skill, it takes practice to perfect. Industry data shows that over 90% of new affiliates that hit the market earn less than $100 in their first month or two. And why? Well, it's because they're experimenting and guessing. They watch random YouTube videos. They copy and sometimes buy broken funnels, and they're quick to give up when they see no fast money. But what happens to the 10% that are successful is they do three things differently. One, they use proven system that's not experiment. Two, they get real and paid mentorship, and they stay very, very coachable, not just taking free tips. Three, they stay consistent, and even when it feels slow and it seems like nothing is happening, that's where things change. Take a student from our live Keye course, for instance. He was only 19 years old. He never had a job, no experience. He only had access to a cell phone. He joined our Unlock the Secrets to Affiliate Marketing Secret Sauce program. And within 60 days, he made it $515 in a single day. And how he did it was, he didn't, despite what you think, he didn't go viral. He didn't spend money on ample amount of ads. He used our done-for-you affiliate funnel. It was already built and tested. He used our legendary email sequence to convert over 8% of his leads into clients. He followed our free traffic cheat sheet. He used our advice posting 3 short videos a day, and used our template, and with our motto, the link is in the bio, pointed up, showing social proof. He was able to get this done with having no design skills, no tech skills, just being coachable and having expectation. By day 45, he was ready to give up. And it's happened to glance at his dashboard and seeing that he had accumulated up $500. By the end of the day, he has went over that $500 in just one day. This was not due to his unique ability, but rather to the effectiveness of a proven system that already worked. So how can you start? First of all, everything that we just mentioned that he uses in a special guide that's absolutely free. It's in the description. So let's start with Keye Academy today. First, pick your lane. It's giving you 5 proven paths that you can choose for, or you can launch from your own niche. But let's talk about these paths. The first one is to print on demand using Printify and creating AI art and tweaking it with Canva. You can see this in our first series. Go back and watch it and tell you all about it. Next one is ClickBank digital offers. The second one is Fiverr affiliate gigs, and the last one is CPA marketing with no website needed. They're all niches that you can use that are advised and proven to work good, and also use the opt-in to PayPal friendly offer that provides quick payout so that you can get paid. And number 2, use our done-for-you assets. Use our guide that's in the description. Everything is there. No guesswork. It's copy and paste email secrets and posting your content. No guesswork. 3 is drive free traffic. We'll show you how to create leads and create organic traffic using our 3 posting methods. The link is in the bio. Methods. Creating more traffic in social proof using TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest. And just stay consistent to reach targeted clicks. So 4 is you tracking still. Once you're tracking, then you scaling. We show you how to create a scaling system that will put you every week. We also have our mentors and our coaches that will help you with what's working, double down on it, and what's not working, pick it. It's all optional. This is not a theory. It is proven to work. It's your daily routine to be coachable. And inside Keye Academy, you'll get more than just our YouTube channel with packaged videos. Our framework is a launch pad for whatever niche or business that you're already in. And continuous education, no graduation rate. Join Keye Academy YouTube channel and join our masterclass community where real students share wins, struggles, and suggestions. And whenever you have an opportunity, go ahead and sign up for Keye Live courses. And when a spot open up, we'll get you in there. We only accept 5 spots are open per week. So our Keye, you can log into our Keye platform and take our absolutely free courses that are available 24 hours and use our learn, earning, and growing model and apply everything you learn.
ClickFunnels proudly sponsors today's episode. When creating an automated income stream, tech hurdles often slow you down. You have the product and offer. But what about combining a landing page builder, email service, checkout system, and membership area? That's overwhelming. It can drain your budget, complicate your efforts, and halt your progress. That's why I choose ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is more than just a website builder. It serves as the foundation for your automated income. It empowers you to create high-converting sales funnels, specific pages designed to convert strangers into customers, without any coding knowledge. Whether you're marketing a print-on-demand item, a digital course, or a SaaS subscription, ClickFunnels provides templates, checkout integration, and email automation, all in one platform. Stop juggling 5 subscriptions that fail to sync. Start constructing a cohesive system that functions seamlessly. If you're ready to streamline your tech setup and convert visitors into income, click the link in the description below. Initiate your free trial with ClickFunnels today. This link also helps support our channel and keeps these valuable insights coming. So, don't miss out. Build your first funnel and watch your traffic turn into profits. Let's return to the lesson.
Okay, so I access our Keye Academy YouTube channel. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe for other series that we got coming. So what we have laid out in our Keye Academy YouTube channel is 5 series, 5 videos per series. The one you're watching now, how to make $500 a day. The next one is getting $1,000 in PayPal money using just the phone. Fiverr, Affiliate Secrets, ClickBank, $200 a day, strategy systems, and CPA marketing beginners. So that's basically how we're laying out a YouTube channel and using our powerful 5 series. In addition to that, you receive optional mentorship. In each series, we have guides that we put in the description that have done for you everything done for you. All you have to do is watch, click, no guessing work going on. So we will help you build your system, and eventually it will be a system that works automatically using AI agents. A simple morning check-in on our platform, and taking our TD accounts support, having the courses absolutely free, filling out the evaluation form there and checking. Also the announcements and the assignments tab, absolutely free. You can also upgrade to some membership courses, or you can get our VIP courses called Desire and VIP consulting services. And it comes with all our advanced features. So now, we only take in 5 members in our live, our TD Academy live. And the reason why we do that is because we do offer real mentorship, and it doesn't scale to thousands of members at a time. So we took in hundreds a week, you'll be just a number. But we only take in 5, so you get our real attention from our mentors, and we get real feedback. So this week we have 3 of the spots already filled, and only 2 remain. And by the time I post this video, those spots should already be already filled. And next week we'll have more spots open up for next month. So especially when you be prepared to, when you sign up for live courses, that it might be the month over before you can fill that spot in our enrollment process. TD Academy isn't for everyone. It's a launch pad for those who already are looking for a system to launch what we're already doing. Those who show up and ready to work hard, even when it don't seem like nothing's going on. It's a continuous learning and earning system. Those who inspire to achieve freedom, and not just financial gain or quick money scheme, but generational wealth building. So if you're watching this video right now, you are a future entrepreneur, and there are things that's going to happen if you follow this video, follow this whole series, and prepare to take off. The very next thing you need to do, the very final step, is to click the description below. Check out everything. Get our guide to doing everything that's done for you that's already in this video. Go and take our free course. Go ahead and get some membership courses and take those, and sign up for our VIP membership or desire and systematically build whatever system that you need to grow your project or your business. Complete your morning check-in. It's very easy. That's it. You'll be not far from starting. As soon as you do that morning check-in, you're ready for your workshop, business workshop. You're ready for mentorship, strategy session. You're ready to make your first dollar, your first $100, your first $500. Don't wait, spots fill up fast on our Keye Live. Sign up for the Keye Live, start taking our real courses. So, and start taking our online courses. That's available right away. And I start with nothing but a dream and a cracked cell phone. And today, I'm mentoring students and helping them build their own unique system that's dedicated to them. And they love them. They love to grow wealth on their terms. Financial freedom is not about getting rich. It's about choosing your time, your peace, and setting your future anywhere you want in the world. Because you can take these courses anywhere where you at in the world. It's about choosing what you want to do and having a launch pad to help you do it. If you're ready to stop watching YouTube videos and start doing something to help yourself, nobody owe you anything. This ain't a handout. This is a hand up for you to launch whatever you're doing into the outer clouds. And you just have to get out of your own way and start doing it. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the other side. Much love. Now go claim your spot in the live Keye course and start taking some real courses on our Keye Academy platforms, available 24 hours a day. Thank you for watching the video. Y'all have a good